Hello everyone! Have you ever been fascinated by the sight of vibrant pumpkin fields with large, round pumpkins strewn across the ground? Have you ever imagined how much time and effort it would take to harvest these giant pumpkins? Let's explore the marvelous world of the incredible machines used in pumpkin harvesting together. Accurec Brothers is a modern pumpkin seed production facility specializing in the manufacturing, development, and supply of high-quality pumpkin seeds. What's particularly impressive here is the high level of automation in every step of the pumpkin seed manufacturing and processing process. The entire production chain starts with carefully selecting high-quality pumpkins from reputable suppliers. Then, each pumpkin is meticulously processed to produce excellent seeds. The high-quality seeds from this facility can meet the expectations of the global pumpkin seed processing industry. Pumpkins are grown in various ways, and this is one of the most common methods farmers use when planting this type of crop. The seeds are placed into containers at the back of the seed drill machine. This seed drill machine is programmed to sow pumpkin seeds in rows across the field after it has been plowed. The spacing between the rows is set at 140 centimeters to ensure that the pumpkin plants have enough space to grow optimally. This is Farmer Jason's homemade planting machine. With the assistance of this machine, farmers can quickly plant crops on their fields in just a few hours. This machine helps him plant various types of crops, including bell peppers, tomatoes, and pumpkins. Not only does it increase his productivity and save time, but it also reduces the pressure of strenuous farming. If you're interested in owning modern equipment like this, leave a 1 in the comments section. After approximately 3 months, the farmer can harvest his pumpkins. Pumpkins are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, E, K, B vitamins, potassium, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients provide energy and support various bodily functions, including those of the nervous, cardiovascular, and immune systems. Pumpkins also contain fiber and unsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels in the blood, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes. Incorporate these fantastic fruits and vegetables into your diet for better health. Are you curious about how pumpkins are harvested or how farmers go about it? Join us as we explore these impressive machines. You are witnessing the performance of the Vogel Pumpkin Harvester. This machine automatically identifies and cuts pumpkins from the vine. With its precise cutting system, it eliminates unripe or damaged pumpkins, ensuring that only fresh and high-quality ones are harvested. The machine is also equipped with a convenient pumpkin storage system, increasing productivity and reducing labor. Its large pumpkin storage capacity saves users time and effort. With its innovative seed and pulp separation process, this advanced machine brings about a golden revolution in pumpkin harvesting. The pumpkins are fed into the machine via a steel roller, where they undergo a series of groundbreaking processing steps. The machine utilizes powerful blades to break open the pumpkin pulp, separating the seeds from the pulp. Previously, pumpkin harvesting often faced challenges in the seed and pulp separation process, requiring significant effort and time. However, with this equipment, both farmers and pumpkin producers can save considerable effort and time, while achieving higher harvesting efficiency and producing pumpkins of better quality. Although manual harvesting was once the primary method for harvesting crops, the advent and development of harvesting machinery have revolutionized the agricultural industry. Compared to manual harvesting, using machines enables farmers to harvest faster and more efficiently, reducing both labor and time requirements. Consequently, agricultural output has increased significantly, leading to improvements in agricultural production efficiency. The JD6420 Premium Pumpkin Harvester, when paired with the Machio Bisonte, forms a perfect team, elevating the pumpkin harvesting experience to new heights of efficiency. This machine not only boasts a sleek design, but also features a powerful engine, taking pumpkin harvesting to a new level of ease and time saving. It not only helps arrange pumpkins into rows for harvesting, but also makes the process of separating pumpkins from the vine faster and simpler than ever before. Have you ever witnessed a pumpkin harvester of this magnitude? As it traverses the field, the machine autonomously severs the pumpkins from the vines. The farmer collects the squash and places them onto the conveyor belt. Thanks to this harvesting method, the freshest, highest quality squash can swiftly reach consumers. The collaboration between humans and machines has yielded remarkable outcomes in the agricultural sector. Can you guess where these pumpkins will be shipped to? Berg Machinery's pumpkin washing line is not just a simple system, but a top-notch professional technology that brings innovation to the cleaning and preparation of pumpkins before they're packaged or used in other processing procedures. With the capability to handle large quantities of pumpkins, this assembly line is not only fast, but also ensures perfect cleanliness, resulting in an optimal and appealing product. Come with us to the food factories to see how they make delicious food, great nutritious drinks from these pumpkins. This is a famous rice water production plant in South Korea, a professional and reliable facility specializing in producing unique and delicious beverages. One of their best-selling drinks is a nutritious blend of rice milk and pumpkin. With a combination of modern technology and traditional secrets, this plant has earned a reputation and success in creating high-quality products. Would you like to try this delicious and nutritious beverage? Whether you're aiming for traditional baked goods or pursuing handcrafted creativity, Axis is not just a solution, but the top choice for diversity and efficiency in the baking industry. With speeds of up to 30 cycles per minute, or a maximum of 120 cakes per minute for smaller sizes, this production line ensures not only maximum productivity, but also captures your target audience. The dosing roller is controlled by pressure sensors and a lobe pump, maintaining precise dosing accuracy with a volume error of less than 2%. The NewCap automatic baking production line is an advanced and efficient system that brings significant benefits to the automated baking process. By combining modern technology with automated processes, NewCap delivers high precision, speed, and reliability. With its high working speed and continuous operation capability, it allows for the production of a large quantity of cakes in a short amount of time. The automation process and harmonious interaction among the equipment on the production line help optimize efficiency and reduce the time required for baking production, from flour settling, mixing, shaping to baking.